7, 9, 8, 2, 2, mean that. So that all the numbers, 2 number came 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. This came 3 times. 5, next number, suppose that any number 3 came only 1 time. Then 5 came only 1 time. 7 came 1 time. 8 came 1 time. 9 came 1 time. Which number more came? Second number. 2 number is came more time. So the mode is only the 2. Mode is 2. Mode is 2. Now coming the mode of the ungrouped data like this. Mode of grouped data means lower limit. F means model class, model frequency. F0 means preceding the model class, means before the model class, before the model class. 2F1, double of the model class, minus F0, minus F0. F0 means the before the model class, preceding model class. Then F2, succeeding the model class, means after the model class. You can modify it like this also. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 plus F2. That type also you can write, and here like big bracket, and you can write H. You can write H. Like this also can be, like that also can be. It is first in that this and this you are adding, then you are subtracting from the 2F1. This is multiplication. In multiplication, 2F1. What is the model frequency? In that you are multiplying by the 2. Then you do this, you are adding. In that you are subtracting from the model class. Then what is the length? What is the range of that? Is the H and lower limit. Next, this is our example. In this example, the CI, class interval. Class interval given 85 to 65 to 85, 4 times. 85 to 105, 5 times. Then 105 to 125, 13 times. 125 to 145, 20 times. 145 to 165, 14 times. 165 to 185, 8 times. 185 to 205, 4 times. In that numbers, which number came more time? So we know this 20 came the more time. 20 came the more time. 20 came the more time. In this, which is the highest number? 20. So 20 is the model class. 20 is the model class. So this is called the F1. This is called the F1. Now just above this one, preceding, this is called the F0. What called this? F0. Downside of this, it is called the F2. What called? F2. See, which number more came? That is the F1. That is the F1. Above, just above that one, that is called the F0 or F0. Then below that model class, this is model class. Model class. Below the model class, that is called the F2. Now coming to the model class. This is model class. So this is the lower limit. What is the lower limit?
125.
125 is the lower limit. 125 is the lower limit. Now we are writing our formula. That is the
equals to 20.
mode is equal to
Height is equals to 20.
mod is equal to first one L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Into H means what is the distance between this, means what is the gap between the two CI. 65 to 85, otherwise 125 to 145. What is the gap? 20. So H is equal to, it will become H is equal to 20. H is equal to what?
20.
Now keeping these values into the formula. Keeping these values into the formula. Substituting same values into the formula, and that substituting now. L we already came to know 125 plus bracket F1 we know 20 minus F0 what? 13 divided by 2 into 20 F1 2 into 20 minus F0 13. Then F2, what F2 is 14, means this number you have to add first. Then H is equal to 20. H is equal to 20. Now 125 plus bracket 20 minus 13.
7.
7. By 2 into 20.
40.
40.
Minus
Minus
27.
13 and the same sign are added. Same sign are
Added.
added. Different sign are
Subtracted.
subtracted. So 13 and 14. 27.
Minus
Minus 27. Into 20. Into 20. Now 125 plus 7 by 40 minus 27 is equal to 13. 13 into 20 into 20. Now we can write it like this: 125 plus 27 ja 140 divided by 30. Now we are making it like this. This was divide and write. Then add in 25. Otherwise you can add by the fraction form also. You can add it by the fraction form. Okay, we are dividing it. 140. 140 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. Remainder 1. Taken down the 0. 13 not going. Now kept the 0. Then kept here 0. Point kept. 10. 13. 13 6. 13 7 are 13 6 are 78. 13 7 are 91. 13 7 are 91. 91. How much remaining? 9. 0 kept. 13 6 are how much? 78. How much remaining? Up to the 2 digit enough. Up to the 2 digit enough. Okay? 2 digit. So 10.76. We can write it like this: 125 plus 10.76. So 125 plus 10 135.76. This is the mode. This is the mode of the given data is what? Mode of the given data is what? Mode is equal to 135.76.